treat, trick or treat, give me something good to eat, trick or treat, candy chocolate, bubble gum, all that gummy shaped like bats, pumpkins, and cats. We got our masks on, knocking dough to get our stack on. Yeah, it's that time, it's time to roll and have a good time. Fresh and scary in my costume, cooler than a monster, fresh out of the...
What's up, everyone? This is Blue with SDGT, and thank you so much for joining me for another unboxing, or in this case, an unbagging. I almost came close to opening this thing by mistake before doing the unboxing. Luckily, I stopped. But on that note, let's jump right in. I have no idea what it is, so let's find out. Another product from AJAZZ. Which product in particular? I have no idea. Let's go ahead and open this thing up. Actually, it's the AJAZZ AJ159P. But what is the AJAZZ 159P? Okay, this thing is challenge to open up here. Well, got it. Okay, so this is the AJAZZ AJ159 dual mode game mouse. So this is the mouse with the USB Type-C port on front. So as you see, it's wireless. And it looks like okay, so it sits on there like that, and it's magnetized. Very cool. With the USB Type-C port on the front of this for the charging, so you can either go wireless or hardwired. And I like the